Hey folks, Larry here, and it's mail call day today. And I got a couple of packages here, and one is from Amara.
AB Rustic Relics.
That's right. And that is the wife of Mr. Big Bad Brad. So, here is ta-da and ta-da. Okay, so let's see what's inside this. I know one thing that's inside of it. Yep. But I don't know what the other thing's inside of it. You never know. Brad has sent me something to review. And as I tear open the bag, I got some cool papers before I open anything else up. Aha! This is going to be interesting. Yes, it is. I'm not going to tell you yet. I will, though, shortly. I will. I promise you I will. And there you go. Have any of you have yet to stop by on his website and see if he or she has anything to your liking? And I will read this letter later. So let's get into this. All right. You know, I will be doing a interview with Big Bad Brad soon. So you don't want to miss that. So, la la la. Yay. And I'll explain this one in a minute. Ta-da, ta-da. Okay. Here is Big Red is Big. This is a Parker, and I'll tell you about it later. I'll give the review, tell you all about it. So you don't want to miss that, right? No. So let's open this little jewel. All right. And this is the one I was like freaked out about, right? Here it is. Back home safely. Thank you, Big Bad Brad. It's my Parker. Right there. Oh, man, it's back. Remember this little fella I was showing you? Yeah, well, I accidentally put it back when I returned Brad's pen. But it's back, and I will be inking that up later and reviewing that. And I've already had questions about which is better, the Vector or the Jotter. Vector or Jotter. So, I will have an answer soon. Well, that's one of them. And I can't wait to get into this baby. That's going to be cool. All right. We have one more to do today. And my table's already junkified. It just does no good for me to clean it off, organize it, get everything in order. You want to see what my desk looks like again? Would you like to show Mr. Announcer? Let's look over here. What do you think about that? Let's look over here. What do you think about that? Amazing, right. It wasn't that way a few days ago. So, now, let's see how I want to do that. Why don't we just do it like this? Adults, do not try this at home by yourself. Have supervision. That means have one of your kids making sure you're safe using this box cutter. All right. As you all know, and if you don't know, this is one of my favorite brands. Affordable, and to me, I really like the pen by Jaffa. Has come out with these pens by Conklin, and Jaffa does a great job in their service department. Beautiful green. Gorgeous fountain pen, right? And I'll get into that later. There you have it, my friends. The Conklin Duograph. Beautiful fountain pen. Until later, my friends, be safe. Wash them hands. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now it's time. Right now. Hit subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that little bell, ding, ding, ding. That will notify you when y'all, do a review. So, it's exciting. It's fun. And it's better than nothing, right? God bless. And don't text and drive. Bye-bye.